Hey VW Life, welcome to today's episode. We have something very special in store for you guys today. We are taking the 1963 Kennedy, the Volkswagen Beetle, to Hewlett Volkswagen, and we are going to test drive the brand new Volkswagen ID.4 electric car. That's probably Kennedy's great grandson or something along that line, or maybe just great. I'm not sure. But stick with us today. It's going to be exciting as we try the difference between 63 to 2021. That's a lot of years. Let's see what happens. Well, here we are. So this is it. Got the new logo on the wheels. Wow. It's really fancy. 97 miles per gallon. That doesn't use gas though. Third week of March. Okay. Oh, we just had them that long, huh? Oh my gosh, look at that interior. Ooh, wow.
Now you have to throw
And the one on the... Oh wow, there's a lot of room back here. All right. Well, let's take this thing for a spin, huh?
Can I borrow, whoever wants to drive, can I borrow your license?
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely a new car, but you know, I mean, with all the electronics and everything, I mean, I noticed one thing he did. It's like we were sitting here and he turned on and the AC came on. Yeah. So, you know, because I guess it's all driven by an electric motor, obviously.
Look, got a pause and a play button down there.
Oh my gosh.
For the kids nowadays.
I would have never have noticed that in a million years. And the new logo.
Yeah, really
so I mean, this is obviously nobody in their right mind would have a white steering wheel.
Yeah, just get filthy.
Yeah, but I mean,
but we got white steering wheels in our buses in your Beetle.
That's true, but I don't think make white leather.
You're in the floor.
So we basically just have it's no obtrusiveness and all. There's lots of room and everything.
So there's no frunk, which is something that throws people off because that's something they're used to with EVs.
Yeah.
So you have a normal size SUV cargo area in the back.
Yeah.
But then under the hood, it's very much a traditional looking under hood, right? There's plastic covers. There's filler caps for.
So we're running now.
We are essentially running, right? AC is going
because the key proximity thing.
Yeah, I mean, if you had it in your pocket or your bag,
right? God, it's like a damn phone.
It's very reminiscent of a phone.
How do I put it? There's no
right. So it's all shifting is all gonna be done right here.
Oh, okay.
So
really?
With your foot on the brake, just like in a car, right? And to put it in park, you just tap that on the end.
Okay.
So this little diagram here will show you if you roll it forward, you'll be into drive. If you were to tilt it back towards you, you'd be into neutral, and then past neutral, you'd go into reverse. So go ahead and roll that thing towards you.
That's it. Just
there you go. Now you're in reverse. Yep.
Oh man, driving an electric vehicle.
Well, that feels pretty good. What are the odds? So right now we're in just regular drive mode.
Correct.
No big deal, right?
Yep.
Got a nice, I like the really crisp digital speedo. So here's the big thing. I don't know how much energy I have.
So there's a couple things going on down there. You see, like your phone, it'll have the display of your battery, so you've got about 63 miles of range remaining.
Did you see as Lannis' dad earlier, you drifted and it kind of like flashed at you?
Oh, did it really?
Yes, sir.
Like right here? I do that all the time. I need that. Oh, we only got 62 miles to go, so don't take us too far, Drew.
We'll be
I don't want to run out. I don't want to run out of juice. Linear acceleration. It's just that's the other thing. There's no shifting.
Right.
It's a.
And the torque is available immediately.
Yeah.
There's a lot of room back here too. Like
Yeah. When I sat back there, I wanted to check that out too.
I mean, are y'all comfortable in the front?
Oh yeah.
Distance-wise.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, there's plenty of room.
Will it stop by itself?
Not quite. So it's not exactly 1 foot braking, but it will
it's darn close.
do a lot.
Wow. I mean, I just let off and it almost just.
So you've got 201 horsepower here. The all-wheel drive version is going to have 301 horsepower. It's been fun because it's been a learning experience for us too.
Volkswagen sticking all their marbles into one container, so
Yeah.
hopefully it'll work.
I think the Buzz is gonna just be a breakthrough car
It's gonna be
when it comes out. I mean, it's just the cool factor mainly.
right? So final assemblies in Germany.
Final assemblies Germany, and then transmission, engine, or excuse me, motor are both
Get up on the
Germany.
freeway.
Yeah, we'll get up on the highway. So Volkswagen is you guys know probably better
Yeah.
than most people, Volkswagen is a global brand.
Oh, yeah, big time.
So even your GTI,
Yeah.
parts
Yeah.
from 3 different continents probably.
Oh my goodness.
How's it feel at speed?
That's nice right there.
It's kind of relaxing, right? It's just super smooth and quiet.
It's just unbelievable. That's the thing to me. That's the thing is absolutely. It's just. I mean, I used the word. I heard the word linear. It's just smooth. It's like whoop. It's like racing a slot car.
Yeah.
Because it's just whatever much juice you give it, it goes.
Yeah, it's not banging through gears.
Yeah. Wow.
So what's a range on a full charge?
Oh, that's a good question.
Highway.
The EPA rating is 250 miles. Now, if you charge it up all the way, you'll see 270, 280.
Okay.
But just like an internal combustion engine, it depends on how you drive and other factors,
Yep.
right?
Can I juice this up like at my house? I have the standard 110.
So you have 3 options, right? So the vehicle comes with a level 1 charger, which will plug into any 3-prong outlet that you might have in your garage.
Sure.
Right?
Gotcha.
Level 2 charging is going to run off a 240 volt, like what you'd run your dryer off of. And most folks we expect are going to have something like that installed in their garage, and they're going to charge at home. And then level 3 is what you'll have public charging points like Electrify America.
So with, the standard 110 charging, would that be able to, like, if I got home at night and I leave the next morning in 10 hours, would it be fully charged over that time?
No. With the level 1 charging, you're looking at roughly 85, give or take.
Oh, okay, that's still.
Now with the level 2 charger, that is the overnight scenario,
Okay.
right? And then with the level 3 charger, you're going to go from almost empty to almost full in about 38, 40 minutes.
Really?
And that's just technology. That's just going to keep.
But
getting
that's
better.
But those are the Charge America places.
So actually, if you buy an ID.4, you get 3 years of free, unlimited Electrify America charging.
Really?
That's awesome.
Well, here we are. We have driven the VW ID.4, and it was my very first experience with an all-electric vehicle, and I was very impressed. It is very much something that you'd have to kind of get used to as far as the controls, but I think it's all very intuitive. It's a little more difficult for me. I'm a knobs kind of guy and twist knobs and all that kind of thing rather than slide things, but the way they have it made is very cool. It's how intuitive it is, and that's the one thing I was really impressed with it. This particular vehicle, what I liked about it is it's very, very roomy. The size on it is amazing, how much room it has. It was just really impressive. AC worked great. That's a cool thing. This is the first edition, so it has kind of the really cool white steering wheel, which I like that. It's kind of a neat little touch. The white around it kind of reminds me of some of the Macintosh stuff, early on Macs and stuff. But as far as how the car drove, it handled wonderful, very quiet. I think the most impressive thing to me is just how when you step on the gas, it just goes, and there's no shifting or anything like that. That's I've never experienced that, and that would probably be the thing that some people go, well, duh, but I haven't. This is my first outing. I'm excited about that. I tried the regenerative braking mode, which helps you get better mileage out of your juice. And the one thing, it was a little disconcerting to me a little bit. I would probably get used to it, but I was slowing down without hitting the brakes. It was like I just adjusted the brakes on Kennedy over here, and I adjusted them too tight, and it's just kind of slowing down by itself. That was a little interesting, but the car itself felt really good. I'm just so excited about the Buzz when it comes out. I think that's really going to be really, really cool for that. I want to say thanks to Drew, our VW rep today. He was awesome. Man, he knew his stuff. Very informative. Understood what we were doing with this, and I was appreciative of him for that too. So that was really added to it. And when the Buzz comes late 22, so we got a little over a year or so for that. It'll be something that I'm definitely going to be in the market for. I think it fits into the niche that I'm looking to get into. So thank you, Volkswagen. Thank you, Hewlett, very much for having us here today and letting us test drive the ID.4. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much.